Ever wished you could make some extra money from the internet without learning new skills and without cost? If you have, then the solution on this page will help, and you can start using it within the next 30 to 60 minutes without spending a single cent on anything. For the first time ever, we're giving away our complete Swiitch system for free on a first-come, first-served basis. And to make things even easier for anyone who wants to get started in minutes without learning anything and with minimal effort, we're also going to give you our very own ready-made system. Everything you see on this page is yours 100% free today. It won't cost you a thing, and you can start in minutes, even if you are a complete beginner. So let me begin by telling you how this works and why we're giving Swiitch away for free today. Swiitch is what we call a self-selling system, because it basically does all of the work for you, so all you have to do is activate it once. And because we've already created a complete ready-to-use Swiitch system for you, activation is very simple and very quick. The first step is to open the ready-made Swiitch and add the special code we give you. Then you simply add your Swiitch to one of the free platforms we show you and include around 6 to 20 words. As soon as your Swiitch is placed on one of the free platforms, it will start working for you. And again, there are no costs involved. The only skills you will need are the ability to copy, paste, and type a few words. Could you do that? So, how does Swiitch make money? Swiitch users make money when someone clicks the code we give them and buy one or more products. The income from our ready-to-use Swiitch, the one we'll give you today, ranges from $6 to $115. $115 being the maximum per customer, i.e. the person who clicks the code and buys. Our example on this page shows $5,199.80. This is because the $6 to $115 is the amount we can earn from just one person using our ready-made Swiitch. But because more and more people will see our Swiitch over time, we can make more and more money, which can often turn into a larger and more substantial sum, like Mark's results shown on this page. The point here is, Swiitch is a very simple system which costs nothing to use and can continue to make money for days, weeks, months, even years without any further work. And today, you can have the whole Swiitch package, including our complete ready-to-use system for free. Would you like free access? You probably would, but I'm sure you're thinking, there must be a catch. Why would we let you have Swiitch for free? The answer to that question is twofold. Number one, brand awareness. When people start using Swiitch, our brand awareness grows. So in the very near future, when we start charging people for Swiitch, most of our potential customers will already be aware of our product. And number two, when you or anyone else use Swiitch, we can also make money at the same time without any cost to you, which means giving you free access to the complete Swiitch system today is a win-win for you and for us. So if you're looking for a quick and easy way to make some extra money online without cost, here's what you need to do now. First, read this page all the way through. It's a short page, so it won't take long to read, but it will tell you more about the Swiitch system. Then click one of the buttons to get completely free and instant access to Swiitch, so you can start using it in the next few minutes. And remember, everything we show you and mention on this page is genuinely 100% free. You will never have to pay anything for Swiitch. So you really have nothing to lose. Click the button under this video and see for yourself.